Welcome. If you've ever hit reply and wished you'd hit reply to all by default, this quick guide shows you how to set reply to all as your default in Gmail's general settings. It's simple, it's practical, and it can save you from a few awkward email mishaps. First, open the Gmail app on your device. This is where you'll do all the setup, so make sure you're signed in with the account you want to adjust. Once the app is open, look for the menu icon in the top left corner. It's the three horizontal lines that create a little hallway of options. Tap that to reveal the side panel with your folders and settings. From the side panel, scroll down and select Settings. If you have multiple accounts, choose the one you want to configure. You'll land on a row of settings specific to that account. Here, look for General Settings and tap it to enter the broader customization options that apply across Gmail. Now you'll see several general preferences. Scroll until you find Default Reply Action. This is the option that decides how your replies are addressed by default. Tap Default Reply Action to open the choices. You'll typically see options like Reply, Reply to All, and possibly others depending on your version. Choose Reply to All. This sets the default so that when you press Reply, Gmail automatically includes all recipients in the thread. It's especially useful for group projects, team updates, or any email where everyone should stay in the loop without you having to manually add people each time.